Today, we are going to learn how to sail. I'm sailing the basketball with you. And now, you can sail the watering can with me. And with the watering can, I can water the plant. No, you should let me have the watering can so I can water the plant. Share, remember? Okay. I'm really sad. If I don't water the plant, it will die. All that staring has made me really sleepy.
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels, and the full interactive adventure in the Lingokids app.
Relax.
That was fun.